How to fix Twitter verification option not showing easily and fast in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do guys to fix this problem, it's actually so easy. First thing you want to do is open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager like this, and then open the apps and go to the Twitter. After you open the Twitter, this is the app information page. Or what you have to do here is very simple. Just go down, click here on the storage option, click on this clear data, and clear all the data that you have in the app like this. And then last thing you want to do is update your Twitter from the Play Store or the App Store. If you have iOS like this, just search for Twitter and click on update. You will find it right here in this green option. And that's it. Now restart your phone and reopen Twitter, and congratulations. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching.